Hey guys, Technically Jeff here, and I wanted to do a quick video just to provide you guys a tip with regards to the radio and the climate controls in the EV6. Most people know, and I've seen it in a lot of reviews, that there's just this single strip here that controls the radio, and then you push this button and it switches to control the climate controls. And a lot of people have commented that while they like it in theory, sometimes they forget which one they're on and they accidentally turn up the climate when they try to turn up the radio, or vice versa. And one thing I wanted to show you guys is that if you actually hold this down, you can select the default. So for example, I just set the default to be infotainment. So if I want to change the climate, which I have the options to do that here anyway, but if I want to change the climate more in depth, I can click this, make some adjustments, and then after 5 or 10 seconds or so, it switches right back to radio. And that has come in very handy for me. I was all the time forgetting that I had it on climate when I would make a climate change, and then I'd go to change the radio, and all of a sudden it'd be 80 degrees in the car, and not ideal. So having the ability to set a default has been very helpful. So I have it set to automatically just go right back to the radio for me, and that works great. So now I'm used to just changing the volume when I need to, and if I need to change the climate or the temperature, I can just go right here and make my adjustments, and then not have to worry about forgetting about that in a couple minutes and changing the climate again on accident. So anyway, just wanted to make you guys aware of this function. It's very helpful for me, and I think that'll probably be helpful for a lot of you as well.
If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe, and follow me on all social media. Thanks for watching.